Count.
You could count Cassanim. In fact, I'm going to point it out. Oh, where Juma.
That's it.
Now, Pasha, one hour show on you.
Most of them. Good. But this particular song, When I Want to Me, was written by Professor S.K. Bedu.
Okay.
Sechi Bedu.
Okay.
Now, yenim chorus no Jano want to me atwa.
Yes.
Now me baby amenyini free no ne, you know, the places are being no. Na chorus no ko na menim. Until I met Professor Sechi Bedu, I was supposed to be two verses. Okay. It's a choral song. I wrote 3 verses.
Oh.
Na yenim chorus no ko. I just asked Professor Bedu say enyumwe no. Me recording now. My generation is going to get to appreciate, you know, the songs of the old.
We ever that was to say what me who's a verses room. Because you are 12 now to me say that's nice, that's nice. You are doing amazing.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, dear.
Thank you.
And trust me, your videos are very classic.
That's it.
What to bucha?
Yeah, to your book.
A kakum.
Yeah.
Kakum. I was a kakum. I am streaming in your mama. What say? I'm fantastic. You got videos near very classic. I won't say Jabokana Jecha. And about your social media handles and message to loved ones, people who support you.
Yeah. Your social media handles here, Akesse the Lion, Akesse the Lion.
For the name?
Oh, you know, Akesse there. Who me cuckoo say and me backstage, you know, so I don't say.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. And Akesse the Lion on all the social media handles, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, nice. Everywhere.
Now streaming in so the Apple Boomplay,
Apple Music, Boomplay, Spotify. Maybe I'll streaming you be album.
I show me that's say no best me.
And that's Sandy.
Nice seeing you again.
Nice seeing you.
Oh, hey, see, only last words for loved ones. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. More support here, music, and then Juma Yediododo. There's an event coming this year. In April. And follow me on social media. Follow me on social media. Now there's a lot coming. I mean,
Bacho, this is home. It's the piano. Boy, put baby show me him.
Yeah.
Then you who did the caca.
Sure.
But that's the fee. There was a honey idea to me, you know, ABC. Now make house a question piano, over Adom TV on Shroma, and more fragile media, chassis, over Modian should be Eddie Maya. What with Yampedu, and director Thomas, a man Puma Big Girls. I'm going to teach him and Fantino, Master Adam Bright, Esther Ann will make up department, and my whole family Obeku Ventures. And I did a man make on the social media or the Yamano. Abashon Hair Logistics GH on Instagram, TikTok. I catch your celebrated works no or Jema me padi mu I'm the guy's queen. Ushamo kuma fabu boza Pachamacao. You still got the deal.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Nice. You rehearse every day. I get you rehearse.
No, not really, but you see, when you understand music now, no, my actually.
Hey, pressure.
Yeah, actually.
After how many years? You still sing so well. What about Shoma? How many years?
I think 5 years.
Still, what's between you, sir?
Difference between gift and talent. And then a gift.
Wow. So life after Shoma, entertaining.
It's not easy. I mean, I'm still in school. Trying to push, trying to make Ghana. Watch your wine. Trying to make Ghana hear of us, and it's not easy. But the big push number here. You
are doing amazing. I mean, your TikTok, the numbers, everything. You are just doing amazing. Any message for our fans? Or more my support too. So far, your boy don't take crowd, no. Means they got love for you. It's a message when our mouth love it.
I'm sure someone for supporting the brand. You have an album coming out. Take over. So just watch out.
What features you also are and security. And strong.
Yes, sure.
Hey, righteous. Babo.
This is a competition. A competition, yo. Obia bringing the A game. Obia baby. Omo bebubu omumu. Obia until you have to know, say. Serious.
Obia is say, Enstroma. Yes, say yes, right. Enstroma. Yes. And yes, I'll say Enstroma, yes, right. Enstroma. Nice. So be out here. Okay, so Obiani so I say right. So Obiani Nice. So and Enstroma, one say competition, right?